Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I am Hasham. Now I am continuing the problem on second degree parabolic equation. Last video I have explained you about second degree parabola and one problem already I have solved in the previous video. Now continuing second and third problem in this video. So if you join in the middle, you will not be able to understand. So you have to keep a rhythm of watching continuously the videos. So if you have not watched the earlier videos, I suggest you to go to the playlist of my channel, select the subject business statistics 2 in that topic time series analysis. Watch the first introduction part. I have explained you in detail regarding the theory of time series analysis. Then approximately more than 20 problems I have solved on straight line trend by different methods. So after 20 problems I have started second degree parabola. Now second problem I am going to continue. So before starting the problem, I expect my viewers to have a printout of the problems which I have given in the link under my description. So go to the link, take a printout and keep it ready. Now second problem on second degree parabola. Fit a second degree parabola to the following data: year 1995, 96, 97, 98, 99. Only 5 years data is given. Sales are given 50, 80, 60, 100, 70. That's it. Now see carefully. Fitting second degree parabola. First of all, year 95 to 99 given in the problem. Sales are given, Y values are given. Take summation Y. Now X. We can take the X in such a manner that summation X, if it is equal to 0, easily we can get the answer. Even if you have not taken this summation X is equal to 0, if you have taken X is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can take, but the time will be more. So if you want to reduce the time, if you want to solve the problem in shortest possible time, then what you have to do is take the middle year as 0. So 5 years data is given, leave the first 2 years and last 2 years, middle year is 1997. For 1997 take 0, then backward -1, -2, forward +1, +2. Then you will get summation X is equal to 0. There is an advantage if you follow this one. What is the advantage? Less time. In less time you can be able to get the solution of this problem. Time will be shortened if you do like this. So after taking the X square, 2 2s are 4, 1 1s are 1, 0, 1, 4, total is 10. X cube means X square into X. So X square into X, you will get X cube. 4 2s are 8, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 4 2s are 8. The total X cube is 0. Minus 8, minus 1, plus 8, plus 1, 0. Now X to the power of 4. X to the power of 4 is equal to X square into X square. X square into X square, you will get X to the power of 4. X square, how much here? 4. 4 into 4, 16. 1 into 1, 1. 0 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. 4 4s are 16. So total is 34. X to the power of 4. Now X, Y. Multiply X and Y. 50 into 2, minus 100. 80 into minus 1, minus 80. 60 into 0, 0. 100 into 1, 100. 70 into 2, 140. Take the total summation XY, 60. Minus 100, minus 80, plus 100, plus 140, 60. Now X square Y. Multiply X square and Y. So 50 into 4, 200. 80 into 1, 80. 60 into 0, 0. 100 into 1, 100. 70 into 4, 280. Take the total, 660. That's all. We got all the way. Remember which are the columns we require. 2 columns are given in the problem, year and sales. Sales always will be treated as Y. Right? Now we have to open the column of X, X square, X cube, X to the power of 4. Then X into Y, then X square into Y. That's it. Now the second degree parabolic equation is YC is equal to A plus BX plus CX square. This is the parabolic equation. Now normal equation. Previous video I have explained you in detail regarding how to make the normal equation. First normal equation, multiply with summation to this parabolic equation. To this parabola, multiply summation. So Y will be called as summation Y. A will be NA. B summation X. C summation X square. Come on, first normal equation completed. Now second normal equation, How to find out the second normal equation? Multiply the first normal equation by x. Multiply the first normal equation by x. So here summation y is there. Multiply with x. Summation xy. We are multiplying the first equation by x. So it will become xy. Then a summation x, b summation x square, c summation x to the power of 3. Second equation completed. Now third and last equation. Multiply the second equation again with x. Multiply the second equation again with x. So x into x will become x square, summation x square y. Yeah, x into x will become x square, a summation x square. X square into x, you will get x cube, b summation x cube. X cube into x, x to the power of 4. That's all. These are the three normal equations. Now we substitute the values in these equations. Substitute the value. NA, N is how much? 5. So 5a plus b summation x. How much is summation x? 0. So 0 into b is 0. Taken 0. C summation x square. Summation x square is 10. 10 into c is 10c. Is equal to summation y. How much is summation y? 360. 360. I have substituted all the values in this equation. First equation we got. Now second equation I am substituting a summation x. Summation x is 0. So 0 into a will be 0. So I have taken 0 here. B summation x square. X square is 10. So 10b. Here I have taken 10b. C summation x to the power of 3. X to the power of 3 is 0. 0 into c, 0. So 0 plus 10b plus 0 is equal to 60. Second is equal to summation xy. How much is summation xy? 60. Second equation completed. Now third equation. Third equation, a summation x square. X square is 10. So 10a plus b summation x cube. X cube is 0. So 0. Then c summation x to the power of 4. X to the power of 4 is 34. 34c is equal to x square y. How much is x square y? 660. That's all. Now we got these three equations. By solving these three equations, we need the values of constants a, b and c. Right? So one value. According to equation 2, equation 2 you can say 0 plus 10b plus 0 is equal to 60. So in simple words we can say 10b is equal to 60. So b is equal to 60 by 10, 6, or we got one value. Easily we got one value, b is equal to 6. This had happened only because we have taken a summation x is equal to 0. That's why our calculations have become very simple. If you have taken summation x is equal to 0, then easily we can find out the constants. B is equal to. Now solving first and third equation. Now I am going to solve first equation and third equation. Right? The first equation, what is the coefficient of a? 5. Third equation, what is the coefficient of a? 10. If you want to cancel a, both the coefficients should be equal. If this is 10, here also we have to make it 10. So 5 can be converted into 10 by multiplying with 2. If you multiply the first equation with the 2, then this 5 will become 10. We can easily cancel a. So multiply equation 1 by 2. So 2 5s are 10a plus 2 into 10, 20, 20c plus 20c. 2 into 360 is 720. The first equation I multiplied with 2. Third equation as it is, 10a plus 34c is equal to 660. Now changing the sign, plus will become minus, plus will become minus, plus will become minus. So 10a minus 10a will get cancelled. So minus 34 plus 20, you will get minus 14c is equal to minus 660 plus 720, you will get 60. So if you take the common minus, the minus into minus will become plus, minus into plus will become minus. I am removing the minus sign here. So multiplying the whole equation by minus sign, the minus will become plus, plus will become minus. Minus into minus will become plus, minus into plus will become minus. So 14c is equal to minus 60, c is equal to minus 60 by 14 is minus 4.29. So we got the second constant c, minus 4.29. We got b value, we got c value. Now we need a value. A constant. So substituting the value of C in equation 1. In equation 1, 5A plus 10C is equal to 360. 5A plus 10C is equal to 360. So 5A plus 10 into C. How much is C? Minus 4.29. In place of C, I am writing minus 4.29 is equal to 360. So 5A plus into minus will become minus. 10 into 4.29, 42.9 is equal to 360. Now bring this minus 42.9 to RHS. So it will become plus 42.9. So 5A is equal to 402.9. A is equal to 402.9 by 5, 80.58. That's all. We got A, we got B, we got C. All the three constants we got. Now substitute these constants in the parabola. We'll get the second degree parabolic equation. The second degree parabolic equation is y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square. This one. Now we substitute. In place of a, 80.58 plus b. In place of b, I am taking 6x. Plus into minus will become minus. So 4.29x square. That's all. This is the second degree parabolic equation. This is the end of problem number 2. Now, problem number 3, last and final problem on parabola. Fit a second degree parabola to the following data and calculate the trend values. Calculate the trend values. Okay. Year 1996, 97, 98, 99, 2000. Again, 5 years data is given. Sales are given 12, 10, 14, 20, 28. So here, year column. Sales Y 12, 10, 14, 20, 28. Total 84. Now X column. We have to make X column in such a way that summation X must be equal to 0. In that case, our calculation will get reduced. That's the advantage if we are capable of making summation X is equal to 0. How to make summation X is equal to 0? Take the middle year as 0. Middle year is 1998, take it 0. Minus 1, minus 2, plus 1, plus 2. Summation X 0. X square, 2 2s are 4, 1 1s are 1, 0, 1, 4, total 10. X cube, X square into X. So 4 2s are 8, minus 8, minus 1, 0, 1, 8. X to the power of 4 square. X square into X square, you will get X to the power of 4. 4 4s are 16, 1, 0, 1, 4 4s are 16, 34. X Y, multiply X into Y. 12 into 2, minus 24, minus 10, 0, then 20, 56. So we got 42, summation XY. X square Y, multiply X square into Y. 12 into 4, 48. 10 into 1, 10. 14 into 0, 0. 20 into 1, 20. 28 into 4, you will get 112. The total is 190. We got all the calculations required for parabola. Now second degree parabolic equation yc is equal to a plus bx plus cx square. Now we have to solve the normal equation. First normal equation, summation y is equal to na plus b summation x plus c summation x square. Easily we have calculated the first normal equation. Second normal equation, multiply the first normal equation by x. First normal equation will be multiplied by x. So summation xy is equal to a summation x plus b summation x square plus c summation x cube. The first equation is multiplied by x. Now third equation. The third normal equation we can get by multiplying the second equation by x. This is the second equation. This will be multiplied by x. So xy into x will become x square y. A summation x square, b summation x cube, c summation x to the power of 4. That's it. By solving these three equations, we can get the values of a, b and c, just like the previous problem. Now n is how much? 5. So 5a plus b into summation x is 0. So b into 0 is 0. Plus c summation x square is 10, 10c is equal to summation y is 84. First equation, we have substituted the values. Second equation, a summation x is 0, 0. Plus b summation x square is 10, 10b. Plus c summation x cube is 0, so 0 is equal to summation xy. How much is summation xy? 42. Second equation substituted. Third equation, a summation x square is 10, 10a. B summation x cube is 0, so 0. C summation x to the power of 4 is 34, 34c is equal to x square y. How much is x square y? 190. Got it. All the three equations we have substituted. Now, if you carefully observe here, the second equation we have 0 plus 10b plus 0 is equal to 42. So, in other words, we can say 10b is equal to 42. So, according to equation 2, 10b is equal to 42, b is equal to 42 by 10, 4.2. One constant we got. 4.2 is the value of b. Now, solving equation 1 and 3, first and third equation we will solve. We'll solve the first and third equation. The first equation 5a and third equation 10a. Both should be 10. So first equation will be multiplied by 2. The first equation will be multiplied by 2. So 2 5s are 10a plus 2 into 10, 20c is equal to 2 into 84, 168. The first equation is multiplied by 2. Third equation as it is, 10a plus 34c. 10a plus 34c is equal to 190. Now, changing the sign, minus, minus, minus. This 10a minus 10a will get cancelled. Then 20c minus 34c. So, minus 34 plus 20 will get minus 14c is equal to minus 190 plus 168. You will get minus 22. Minus is cancelled because both the sides we have minus. So 14c is equal to 22, 22c is equal to 22 by 14, 1.57. Come on. We got the value of c also. We got the value of b, we got the value of c. Now we want the value of a. Substituting the value of c in equation 1. In equation 1, 5a plus 10c is equal to 84. So 5a plus 10c is equal to 84. 5a plus 10 into c 1.57 is equal to 84. 5a plus 10 into 1.57, 15.7 is equal to 84. 5a is equal to 84 minus 15.5, 15.7. So 5a 68.3, a 68.3 by 5, 13.66. That is the a value. That's all. The second degree parabolic equation is yc is equal to a plus bx plus cx square. Yc is equal to 13.66 a. Then plus b 4.2x, b here 4.2x plus c 1.57 x square. That's all. It is asking you to calculate the trend values also. Exactly same procedure what we have done in the straight line trend. One more column you have to open here. After x square y, one more column, trend values. In that trend values, we'll take first each year once, like 1996. We'll take 1996. What is the x value here? Minus 2. So substitute xk place for minus 2. You write minus 2 in place of x and you will get the value of yc. That is trend value. Second year 1997. For 1997, take the x value as minus 1. Substitute minus 1 in place of x. We will get the value, trend value of 1997. 1998. 1998 x value is 0. So substitute 0 in place of x. You will get the trend value for 1998 like that. Already we have done this type of problem in straight line trend. The same procedure, trend values you can get in parabola also. That's all. So this is the end of third problem. Only 3 problems I have selected for second degree parabola. So already we have completed the problems on straight line trend and parabola. The next topic is shifting the origin and converting the trend values. These are the 2 topics I am going to discuss in the next video. So hope you are satisfied with my lecture. If you are satisfied, give a like to the video. Share my channel in your group, in your friend circle, so that more students can watch these videos and enhance the knowledge, get the confidence on this subject of time series, business statistics, and give your comments on the videos. I'm waiting for your comments. I'll read and reply the comments. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. We'll continue the next problem in the next video.